Good evening. Well, this is a video from earlier today. The snowfall only enhanced the beauty you'll find every day at Warbler Ridge, southeast of Charleston. EIU journalism instructor Joe Ostrowski had the video equipment out today. The trails at Warbler Ridge even softer than usual with the snowfall, but not too many people were out today, but it's always a good place to be. And East Central Illinois, not a bad place to be, even with the snowfall. And here we see, again, some remnants of the system, and we are anticipating a last finger running through overnight as well. Today's high temperatures, 37 here in Charleston, 39 in Terre Haute. That cut down on our snowfall amounts, and we're going to give you that total, so just stand by for that. This morning's lows weren't very far from today's high temperatures. Not much temperature movement throughout the day. Overnight tonight, we will move down to 25 degrees. Occasional snow flurries, maybe some light snow, and those winds picking up, gusting at up to 20 miles per hour. Wind chill values right around sunrise, we could even get into the single digits, especially out west, so to speak. Taylorville, Decatur, everyone is at risk for possible single digit wind chills. Now, looking at Futurecast for early in the morning, just after sunrise, we do see a few possibilities, mainly moving off to the east of very, very spotty snowfall, but mostly it'll be cloud cover. It'll be with us through the afternoon hours. Finally, things start to clear up just in time for sundown, which will be about an hour earlier than what you just saw as far as the clearing. Today's weather picture of the day, Corinne Allen, our floor manager tonight. She is here with us watching on, and it's a beautiful picture. We're going to use that as the backdrop for looking at tomorrow's temperatures. And you'll notice again today, not much temperature movement. In fact, I've got a lot of scribbling on the screen above that 28. What it means to some people is boring, just temperatures not moving very much with a high about 28. Now we're going to show you a bit of a contrast in the next couple of days, a high of 38 on Friday. That's in part because the winds are shifting direction. A southern wind will help us out a little bit. Promising on Saturday, maybe a high of 46, but that will not continue. Details on that coming up. Here's something, though, provided by the National Weather Service. Now we're getting to it, the snowfall totals, and you see the state of Illinois. This, though, was not the big story as far as the snowfall. Look down in southern Missouri and even further. Some of you might be able to see it on your screen. Fayetteville, Arkansas, home of the Razorbacks, and our good friend Stephen Elmore from last year's weather team. He was probably not anticipating this. I'd like to see it if he forecast this. They had more than 8 inches of snowfall. But here in central Illinois, we didn't get that much. In fact, I'll step aside and show you officially in the middle of the screen, 2.5 inches of snowfall. It's our second snowfall of the year. We had about 4/10 of an inch back on January 13. Last year, we had no snowfall at all in the month of January. Now, we do have a couple of shots at more snowfall coming up on Sunday. It's going to get colder. In fact, it's going to be a nasty day. Temperatures just dropping all day, but we are going to have a good chance of snowfall on Sunday. Maybe not a lot, but a little bit of a chance, and then perhaps another chance of snowfall on the first day of February, which is next Wednesday. Our temperatures are going to be running below normal before we get to that point, though, well below normal. Now let's take you back to the news desk.